Hello everyone, welcome back to my Tiles YouTube channel. My name is Chavi and I'm back with another tile series to help you out with your tile installation. Ever wondered how to make your tile surface more durable? Things look very easy in those 30-second clips, but there are many major steps that are required during tile installation. But before that, My Tiles is your one-stop solution for all your tiling needs, from basic needs to high-end styles. My Tiles provides exclusive collection of premium tiles and tiling accessories that provides nothing but the best. Shop online at My Tiles right after watching this video. One of the most common questions that we receive from clients is that what do they need to do to keep their tile installations new, shiny and bright? Proper installation is the ultimate key to increase the lifespan of your tiles, and proper installation requires proper accessories. So today I'll discuss about the major 3 W's, that is where, when and what to use. So let's get started. So let's talk about the very first accessories, that is spacers. So what are spacers? Spacers are these tiny plastic pieces that are used to create uniform spacing during installation. They also make sure that the sides of the tiles are properly sealed so there is no cracking and no chipping. They come in various sizes. Let's talk about it one by one. So the first size is of these 2 mm spacers. These spacers are most widely used spacers. The width of the grout line complements varieties of sizes and types of tiles. They can be used for flooring in indoor, semi-outdoor, walls and backsplashes. They are majorly used between the subway tiles. Not just subways, you can also use them for Moroccans and 1x2 tiles. Now for this subway mock-up that we have used this 2 mm spacer to create that seamless equal spacing between all the tiles here. Not just subway tiles, but you can also use these 2 mm spacers to create beautiful spacing between your wooden planks. Next is 3 mm and 5 mm spacers. This can be used for accent walls and statement layouts. They are extremely useful during the installation of 2x4 feet tiles, 4x6 feet tiles and 8x4 feet tiles. You can also use them during complicated design layouts such as herringbone, chevron and brick layouts. Now this is how you use your 3 mm spacers for these 1x1 tiles. This is here as well as here. Now we have 8 and 10 mm spacers. These are extremely popular when you have to do brick cladding. They provide wide grout lines which has its own charm. They give you a very rustic and vintage feel, and when you put this between your bricks, they give you a consistent uniform installation finish. You remember the space that was created along the edges of the tile using the spacers? Now it's time to fill those gaps. For that we use grout. Grout makes sure that the tile stays in its place and does not move, preventing the damage. So for that we use this cementitious grout, which is also called plain grout. Cementitious grout is a compound that is a mix of polymers and additives. The result? It becomes so strong that it's impossible to move the tile once this is laid on it. So the storage solution for this is, this shouldn't come in contact with any moisture or water, or else this will become unusable. Why? Because the water will make it hard and you cannot use it after that. Now to make a paste, people use water, but it is not much effective. We use Admix instead because it is highly recommended due to the properties that it provides when it is mixed with grout. So once Admix is mixed with grout, it makes sure that the Admix stays in a good condition. So it prevents thermal and weathering shock. It also prevents staining on it. It prevents water absorption in the grouts. Also, it prevents the grout from becoming powdery or getting cracked. You need to mix Admix per 1 kg of grout. This comes in multiple colors, and this is highly recommended when you have to do paper joint. That is, you have to put tiles without using the spacers. So once the grout is applied, you can take a wet sponge or wet cloth and remove the excess of the cement, and make sure that once it is done, you should not mop, you should not walk or not do anything. Just leave it for 24 hours, and after that you will get the proper installation done. Now we spoke about cementitious grout. Now let's go one step above and we will talk about epoxy grout. This epoxy grout is usually used for premium tiles or expensive tiles where you cannot afford it to get damaged. So let's open this box and see what's there in it. So this is the packet of epoxy filler powder, which is a premium epoxy grout. Now we have got 2 solutions here. which is part A and part B, and you call it this one is hardener and this one is resin. So you mix this both with this packet to make a great solution. And along with that, you also get gloves to apply it, and this is a sponge or a scrub that is used to remove the excess grout that is used. So this is made of synthetic polymers. So you need to make sure that once the grouting is done, it is immediately cleaned. What does it mean? That the excess grout should be removed then and there using this scrub, or else this becomes so hard that it's impossible to remove it once this is done. The best part about this is that it is water resistant. So this is also highly recommended in the places where there is water. For example, bathroom and swimming pool areas, because it does not absorb water. It protects the grout from getting stained. So this is best recommended for places where there is moisture, or there is high traffic area, or just you want your tiles to be safe. So for high traffic areas such as restaurants, hospitals, your parking area, this is very much recommended because it's such a strong compound that it won't break or crack. This usually takes 24 to 72 hours to set completely, and once it is done, you will have the perfect grout, which is difficult to move, or it does not absorb water and is stain resistant. This comes in different sizes, that is 3 kg, 5 kg, 10 kg. So depending upon how much you need to know that before, so that you get that right amount of epoxy, so that the larger the amount, the less cost you have to pay. Also, this creates a very thin layer on the tile, and to make sure that this does not stay on your tile after dries, you need to make sure that you move this sponge in a circular motion and remove the excess grout. It also comes in various different grades depending upon your requirement. It comes in interior grade, exterior grade and commercial grade. Interior, you can use it in your home for kitchen, living room, bedroom, etc. Exterior you can use for parking areas, pathway, gardens and more. And for commercial, it is recommended for high traffic areas such as malls, restaurants, hospitals and much more. Make sure that the surface is dry and debris free. Also, we recommend you to go for a skilled person to install this. You can see all the instructions mentioned here about how to install, and if you have any doubt, at My Tiles we are always happy to help you. Now if we talk about the colors, it comes in beautiful 40 colors. So this has got many colors and you can select your own color to make your own contrasting look. But if you want a more premium look, we have got this sparkling grout which comes in shimmer with it. So this can be used for your premium tiles where you want sparkling grout. It is chemical and acid resistant. So even if you are using a high concentrated cleaning solution, it won't affect it. You can easily use it for your ceramic tiles, vitrified tiles and natural stones. Grouting is not just one bonding material that is sufficient. Now let's talk about the tile adhesives which are also required for proper tile installation. Tile adhesives are industrial grade bonding material which is also called raw cement. It has been said from a very long time that only cement and sand can be used, but it's a misconception. Tile adhesives are much more effective. You can feel like when you're walking there is some hollowness under your foot or the tiles are not staying intact. It's because cement and sand does its job that much great. So tile adhesives are 100% recommended. In fact, for swimming pools, stone cladding, brick wall cladding and waterfalls, tile adhesives are always recommended. Tile adhesives are made of polymers that are specifically designed to make sure that your tile stays for a very longer time. Also, they come in various grades. Higher the grade, higher is the durability. So they come in 3-star, 5-star, 7-star and 9-star. So how to decide which star and which grade you have to go for? It depends upon the size of the tile, thickness of the tile, height of the tile and location of the tile. So we'll discuss each one of it individually. For the tiles of 1 by 1 feet, 1 by 2 feet like your kitchen backsplash, you can go for 3 or 5-star adhesive. But for more bigger tiles such as 2 by 4 tiles, brick wall cladding, stone wall cladding or big large slabs, you should always go for 7-star or 9-star adhesives. These adhesives come in two different colors. One is grey and one is white. White goes for lighter shade of tiles and dark goes for darker shade of tiles. But you can also mix and match like light and grey to create a contrasting look. Let's check that. Now, as I was telling you about two colors available in tile adhesives, this is the brick wall cladding where you've used 7-star tile adhesive that is in grey color. As this is in the darker shade, we've gone for grey, but For the lighter shade here, we've gone for a white color here. But it's not just limited to those colors, but if you want to get that contrasting look, here we go. This is the brick wall cladding, which is in a darker shade, but to add that contrast, we've used the 7-star white adhesive here. If your contractors tell you that cement and sand is the best option, don't go by their words. Always go for tile adhesives which are specifically designed for it. Also, when you are planning to put the tiles, make sure that the wall is rough and plastered, or else the tile will fall off. If you're planning to put the tile on a plywood, then the adhesive is different. Please check the packet for complete instruction. All of them you can use for floors and walls. Now your tile installation is done and you might be thinking that, oh, the tiles are ready to use. But no, you need to do the aftercare. What's the aftercare? You need to protect your tiles. So you need to protect your tiles such as stone wall cladding, brick wall cladding and murals against the exterior factors such as sunlight, moisture, etc. So your stone wall cladding and brick wall cladding, etc., it tends to be porous in nature. So it's very easy for them that they can absorb water, they can get affected by the sunlight and they can also get stained. So for that, you need to use sealers. So sealers come in two types. This one here in my hand is Impregno and this one is Wet Mate. Let's talk about it one by one. This one, Impregno, in short gives your tiles a very matte finish. It prevents water getting absorbed and it also prevents stains to getting on the tiles from water or any other factor. And then next we have this Wet Mate. Wet Mate gives your tiles a very glossy finish. It feels like there is some water already on your tile. So suppose there is your stone wall cladding or brick wall cladding and on top of that we have splashed some water. There is rain happening. So you might feel like, oh, there is some shiny feeling, right? So for that, you need to use Wet Mate so that you get that shine finish. They both have the same job, but this one gives you a matte finish and this one gives you a glossy wet finish. They both are easy to apply. You just have to use a brush or you can use a roller or just simply a spray bottle and your work is done. It also prevents dust sticking on your tiles, especially when there are porous tiles and you are installing this outdoor or something. The dust can get into the pores and it can give you a very dusty feel. So to prevent that also you need to use sealers. Let's talk about beadings. This is something people just skip, but it's actually very important if you want to keep yourself safe. Why? Because the tiles sometimes have some very sharp edges. People can get injured with it. So you need to use these beadings on the edges of the tiles so that you stay safe. Also, they come in many designs. They also come in PVC, aluminium and steel. You can see that there are so many colors available. You can use whichever color you like, and also this comes in 8 feet size. This comes in only one size, but you can cut it according to your requirement. Now it's a wrap for this episode, but don't forget to share it with someone who might need it. Till then, see you in the next video.